Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard over to your iPhone so you can use this. So the first thing you want to do is go on over to the Bluetooth option on your iPhone. So we can swipe down from the top right and we can locate Bluetooth under here. So we can see Bluetooth. Now I want to go to the Bluetooth settings, and when the device comes available, we should be able to see it under other devices right here. Just make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now go over to your keyboard and you're going to have to turn it on. So most of the time you have a little switch on the back. So I'm going to go from off to on. So now I know it's on and there's a light right here. And then you have to figure out how to put this into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So most of the time with your keyboards, it's going to be like highlighted blue, or there could be a little Bluetooth symbol somewhere. Mine is on the FN key and the Z key. All I have to do is press these both down at the same time, and it will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. You can see the light is blinking here, blinking blue. Now it should show up on my iPhone. Okay, so I can see under other devices, Anchor A7726. And when I click this now, I'm going to have to type in this code on my keyboard and then press enter. So let's type in 2270, then press enter. All right, so you can see it's connected now to my iPhone, and I should be able to use the air keys maybe to move around. And then let's open up something and see if I can type in. So let's just delete this, backspace. All right, and it looks like it is now working and is connected to my iPhone. So very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.